Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the best in beauty products with honest, expert-level insights. If you're someone who struggles with dark circles or blemishes, or maybe you just want a flawless, radiant finish, today's review is for you. Let's talk about the Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Full Coverage Concealer. This little gem promises to deliver full coverage while keeping your look smooth and creaseless. Sounds like a dream, right? But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer comes in a liquid form, and the shade I'm reviewing is 13N, a fair light neutral, perfect for those with fair to light skin and a balance of warm and cool undertones. What stands out right off the bat is that this concealer is designed for all skin types, with a radiant finish. And let's not forget, Tarte's Maracuja oil is packed in there, bringing a boost of hydration to the skin while still offering full coverage. Now let's talk about how it performs in real life. I tried this out on dark circles, redness, and a few blemishes. The first thing that struck me was the texture. It's creamy but lightweight, making it super easy to blend. I took the advice in the instructions and warmed it up between my fingers before applying. A little definitely goes a long way. I only needed one dot to cover those dark circles, and I blended it in with the large end of the concealer brush. The result? Smooth, radiant skin that didn't feel heavy. It gave me a nice airbrushed effect without any creasing, even after several hours. However, I did notice that it worked best when applied in thin layers. If you go overboard and try to layer it on too thick, it can start to feel a bit cakey, especially if your skin is on the drier side. But if you stick to that one dot and blend well, it really does live up to its creaseless claim. As for the coverage, this product definitely delivers. It covered my dark circles and blemishes without needing a second coat. I'd say this is full coverage that's also buildable. It does a great job of concealing while still looking natural and radiant. Pros-wise, I'd say the Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer offers excellent coverage without the heavy, cakey feel that some full coverage concealers leave behind. The shade range is also impressive, and the Maracuja oil is a great ingredient to ensure your skin stays hydrated throughout the day. On the flip side, if you have super dry skin or textured areas, be cautious with layering. It can highlight dryness or fine lines if over-applied, so remember, less is more with this one. Now, is this product worth the price? Let's talk about value for money. At its price point, I think this concealer is solid. It's a luxury concealer, but when you factor in the full coverage, the long-lasting wear, and the hydrating properties of Maracuja oil, I'd say it's definitely a worthy investment for those looking for a high-performance concealer. If you're someone who needs something that can take you from morning to night without touch-ups, this will serve you well. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are definitely more affordable concealers out there that give similar coverage. That said, you might not find one with the same skincare benefits that this one offers. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sturdy and travel-friendly. I've had mine for a while, and it's held up really well. The product inside also doesn't seem to dry out, which is great since concealers can sometimes get thick and hard to work with over time. If you've tried this concealer or are curious about alternatives, I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'll leave the link to purchase in the description or comments below. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so we can keep bringing you honest reviews like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.